So it's closer to a robotic Etch-a-Sketch hooked up to a giant glue gun. So this is RoboHand. What's really cool about RoboHand is it is a 3D printed replacement set of fingers for people who were either born or accidentally lost their digits.
Put it down and then pick it up again. Now pick it up and, yeah, that's right. Clever boy.
No. What's green in the...
So adults can get nice hands made that will work for their whole lives. The intention of this is you start off with a small child, and as they grow, every couple of months, you print out a new RoboHand.
So this would be the lobule or earlobe down here. This would be the to allow the incubation to occur in their own bodies. So this ear is a beautiful 3D recapitulation of a patient's ear. And now, if you bend it, it won't break. It's stretchy. It's elastic. It's an ear. It's a pretty, impressive thing to see an object created where there was nothing. And taking these steps further, bioprinting has immense promise, but that's a ways off. Now, I can tell you on the inside here that this ear, and I can take it out here.
So we're going to hit resume, and the printer will warm back up and continue printing from the same place where it stopped. I like to say with 3D printing, you're limited only by your imagination. You're only limited by what you want to build. When we started out, there was nothing on the build platform. It was just an empty black piece of metal.
And
okay, or you could just tell me.
we can put in like some pink media that'll make it look even cooler.